welcome back to my channel. I have another wedding video because, well, it's coming quick and we gotta start planning. We gotta get our outfits together, we gotta get packed, we gotta do the thing because I am not a last second Sally. I hold off on planning my outfits till like the week of. I'm probably gonna stress out and die. So let's start planning. I like to do this thing on Canva where I create a lookbook. I did it for Nashville and I'm doing it again for Cancun. Basically, I'm just creating a little lookbooky, plan out my outfits. Now, Nashville is easy because it was only a weekend trip. So it's easy to plan out your outfits for a weekend trip. But when you're at the beach for a full week, I'm gonna be in a swimsuit and like a cover up for most of the time. So it's not necessarily that I really need to plan out like outfits, but I need to know like what I have left that I really need to buy is my issue. Let's try on what we have. Let's get an idea of what I need to buy still because I'm a little stressed. But that's okay, we're gonna get through it. I am not necessarily looking to buy like super expensive things, but hey, if you're new, what's up? My name is Lauren. I'm getting married in November to my fiance, Cody. This is what we look like together. And we're getting married in Cancun with just our parents. I'm taking the outfits pretty seriously. How often do you get married in Cancun? Exactly. So I have my wedding dress. Let's just see what we have. I'm gonna show you the outfits that I have and then we're kind of gonna go from there. I may go shopping. I want to go to Zara and some boutiques. Don't get me wrong, I love online shopping. I like it, there's a lot of options, but I really love that instant satisfaction of buying something in a store. I just like getting the items, taking it home, knowing they worked out. Don't need to return them. I don't have to worry that it's gonna get to me in time. Like, I got them. I have a good amount of stuff here already, as you can see. And I have a suitcase in my closet that has my swimsuits in it. So we're gonna try some things on. I'm gonna show you what I have. I'm gonna show you my lookbook. We're gonna pull that up and we're gonna go from there. We might go shopping either today or tomorrow. And we're just gonna pray for the best. Now this isn't my packing video. I am going to make a packing video once I have everything, obviously a little bit closer to when we leave, but I need to get my outfits planned out. I'm also gonna make another video over my makeup because I'm literally doing my own makeup for my wedding. Cody's sister is gonna help me with my hair. I'm doing like the slick behind the ear curl volume kind of look. That's what we're going for. So I'm gonna show you my lookbook that I've already created. It's not done yet, but I did take a picture of myself in the outfits that I have. But then looking back on it now, I'm like, oh, I don't know if I want to take some of these things. But for the most part, I for sure know I need more like casual, like walking around the resort, not looking like done up. Like I need more like cute, comfortable sets rather than like I have a lot of dressy cute things and I have swimsuits and I have some cover-ups, but I need more like lounging because I don't really have that in general. So let me pull up the lookbook and show you what we got. All right, so I'm gonna have my lookbook here on the screen so you can see what I'm looking at while I'm talking to you. Here's the first page. These are all the swimsuits I have so far. There's 6 of them. Most of them are from Shein, and then I have one, this one right here, the orange one is from H&M that I bought earlier in the summer, but I still need one more. I'm bringing all new swimsuits. I don't know, I just feel like I'm missing something, whether it be like I have a halter cross one that I like, fun trendy ones. Maybe I need like just a basic like black. I don't really have a lot of blue, or I have green, but I don't really have a blue swimsuit. Like that would be kind of fun. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to shop around. I think I'm gonna do another Shein order for some swimsuits and cover-ups. It just makes me nervous on the shipping because you never really know how long it's gonna take, and I know if it's gonna be a couple weeks, then I might need to do that order now. Let's try on my swimsuits really quick. Let's see what we got. Here we have my suitcase. Okay, first swimsuit is from Shein. Shein. I love the color. It's like a dark green color, which is like such a vibe. I love the like scrunchied bottoms, and then the top is just like perfect. It's not gonna be fun with the tanning situation because it's gonna just be like a random little circle right here, but that's okay. They are cheeky, but they're not like thong too terribly cheeky, and it just like ties in the back. Love this one, definitely taking it. It's just like easy to wear around. For a swim cover up, I don't know what I would totally wear because I only have like white, like maybe white pants. Like these are kind of a vibe. These are cute, right? Ooh, I kind of like this look. I will probably be wearing these pants multiple days, but I'm thinking like for fits, like Instagram, like outfit, this is kind of a vibe. What do we think? In the way of shoes, that's another story. I don't know. I'm gonna get those cloud sandals and probably wear those most of the time, but I'm loving this set. All right, next swimsuit. It is a little more scandalous, I'm aware, but I love this halter cross top, like so cute. The bottoms are scandy, like don't get me wrong, I know. But this one also from Shein or Zawful, I'm not sure. Shein, sorry, it is from Shein. But this one is a look. I like the like separate straps on the bottom so you can kind of have it like open like that. It's very like Mexico vibes. Here for it. In the way of cover up, I bought these like swim cover-ups from Amazon, and I'm thinking this black wrap would be a cute look, like a style. It literally just wraps to the side. I got it in a medium so that it would be a little bit bigger. Cute. And I did forget, I bought these Zara sandals like a while back. I probably wouldn't wear them with this outfit, but I think they're cute for another look. But this is cute. I'm liking this style. Love it. All right, next swimsuit, also love. It is from Shein, and it's like a white one shoulder with a black trim. I freaking love this one. It's so cute. It's kind of like modern trendy, and I honestly think it is pretty cute for like a bridal swimsuit because it has that black, so like it would look cute with Cody wearing his black trunks on the beach. So love it. It is like a high rise, not super cheeky, and I just love the style. Like I would feel comfortable wearing this around the resort for sure. Swim cover up. I have one of those wraps in white, so I could do that. Honestly, like this goes with pretty much everything. These wraps could pretty much go with any swimsuit, so I'm not necessarily worried that it won't look good. Like that's cute. I don't know. What do you think? That's cute. That's kind of a vibe. The only other cover up I have is this one from Windsor, but I don't think the white and black would look good. I think I might wear my orange swimsuit underneath this one. I don't know yet. We'll see. This is a cute vibe. Could be it. All right, here is the next swimsuit. It is the white one piece that is from also Shein. I like this style. I don't necessarily love the style of the bottoms. Like it's not flattering, but I don't think it's not necessarily what I go for in a swimsuit, which is why I kind of want to get another white one. But it does connect in the back right here, and then it's open on the side. I love the style of this top. I think it's cute. It just would leave a really bad tan line, so definitely wouldn't be a swimsuit that I would wear out like in the sun, maybe more like sitting at the cabana. But I can see myself wearing these pants again for this swimsuit. Like this is cute because it is connected, and I kind of like this honestly more than the green swimsuit. What do y'all think? That's kind of cute. Just kind of like that white on white. Like this would be a cute like day after the wedding, like bridal look kind of. I'm kind of here for it. I'm loving this swimsuit. This is the one that I got from H&M earlier this summer, It looks so good with a tan. The bottoms are like these white flowers, but they're so soft and comfortable. They're like loose. Like I could literally run around the beach and be so confident and comfortable in this. The top is like a ribbed top, but in the way of cover-ups, I'm thinking just literally like this brown one from Windsor. It really doesn't cover much because it's completely see-through. Side is like ruched. I don't know. Let's try it out. Let's see what it looks like. I didn't want to wear anything under this that was like super noticeable since it's see-through and it's kind of just like a second skin almost. Like that's kind of cute. I kind of want to get like a chocolate brown swimsuit because I think that would really complement this. Like this kind of looks like, I don't know how I feel about it. I think I'm gonna look for like a chocolate brown swimsuit maybe on Shein and wear it underneath this. Like that I think would complement each other a little better, but this isn't a terrible option. We'll see. Now this swimsuit is just like freaking amazing. It's hot pink from Shein and it's just like a freaking showstopper. It looks so good with a tan, so I'm really pumped about that. But I have zero idea what cover up I would wear with this. I really don't have one. Like obviously these swim bottoms go with everything, but I don't really want to wear them every single day. That's kind of where I'm at with cover-ups. I probably need like 1 or 2 more. And I need another swimsuit because I only have 6 and I obviously need another one for every day. I'm gonna shop around, maybe find another swimsuit. They are on sale right now, so this one is just like amazing. So that is everything in the way of swimsuits and cover-ups. I am going to be bringing outfits every single day to wear. First is this purple dress from H&M with these heels and white purse. Okay, next dinner outfit. I'm still kind of up in the air about this one if I'm being honest. This white dress I wore in Nashville and I kind of put together this outfit just last second, but I'm not like loving it. I might bring it as a good option, but it's not like an outfit that I'm like super crazy about or excited to wear, and I didn't buy it specifically for this trip. So okay, this outfit I'm truly so excited about. Like it is an outfit that I planned around the top. This top I got from the Southern West boutique, I believe. So I got that cute corset one shoulder top. They have one that they sell exactly the same on Misguided, and I do have it linked in my Liketoknow.it, but I'll have it below as well. These leather pants are from H&M. They're just like a staple. That purse is from Amazon and those shoes are from Zara. Okay, this outfit also specifically bought it for Cancun. The dress is from Windsor. I'll be honest, it's not my favorite dress that I've ever bought. I do love this style, but it's a thick ribbed dress and I just don't feel like it's super flattering like the way my curves are. I don't know if I just need to like tone it up a little bit, but it just doesn't flatter the hips very well. But I do love it. I am gonna wear it. I paired it with these shoes. They're Jessica Simpson. I got them on sale from Dillard's this summer, and then that same cute little purse from Amazon. Another dinner outfit. This dress is from Windsor and I actually bought this a while back in hopes to wear it for my bridal shower, but it didn't happen. I don't know what shoes. Shoes is just kind of a toss-up right now. If I find cute shoes, like cool. If not, like I will make it work with some white heels. And then that purse is from Zara and it's just a personal fave. Now this outfit, ladies and gentlemen, I'm obsessed. It is this 2-piece set from Amazon. Literally saw a girl talk about it on TikTok. Literally girls that buy stuff on Amazon and review it and show like what it looks like online versus on them. I love those TikToks. Like I wish I could do that because I think those TikToks are so great and I buy so much stuff from them. So that 2-piece set is a TikTok find. These shoes, the same ones with the cute little purse. I like doing color blocking where like an outfit is a color and then your accessories are like white or black. I think that's super fun and trendy. That's what I'll be doing for this outfit. Next, this is kind of a toss-up outfit. For sure wearing this bodysuit in Cancun because I bought it for it. This skirt I actually bought for Nashville, so I'm not 100% set on the bottoms for this. I'm just really struggling finding bottoms. Like, I find the cutest tops everywhere, but I never know what bottoms to wear. Like, am I the only one that struggles with this? Or yeah, so I'm not set on those bottoms. This tequila purse, got it from Cody's sister for Nashville, and we're in Mexico, so we're gonna be drinking tequila. Tequila purse is coming with me. This outfit, I kind of threw it together. I also bought this dress as a bridal shower dress option, but I don't have the receipt, so I couldn't return it. Threw it on this belt that I got from Amazon a while back, and it's kind of a cute, like, sophisticated look. I'm gonna bring it. I don't know if I'm gonna end up wearing it, but we shall see. Unsure on the shoe. Okay, so those are all of the outfits that I have planned for dinners. Obviously I showed you all what they look like. That's pretty much all I have planned at the moment. I'm gonna show you guys some other outfit pieces that I've bought that I just don't have planned into an outfit yet. I bought them for Cancun, and some fun little accessories. So here we go. It's a little bit later in the day and I just got home from the mall, but I just bought this set from Zara. Kind of feeling it, kind of into it, but I wanted to show you. This green top is a vibe. First of all, the color is like it. So comfortable, literally, like, I feel like I can move and groove in this, and I want it in like every color. With it, I got these sweatpants. I bought these joggers that I feel like I could just wear like around the resort and just be like comfy, cozy, like wake up, go get breakfast, wake up, walk around, just like cute casual. What do you think? Love it. Here is another just like couple pieces that I had bought and just thrown together. These shorts are from H&M and they're literally just like comfy lounging shorts. This is the kind of short that I want more of, but like with a matching top. So I just paired this top with it. I got it from Zara and it's just like a cute, I don't know. I might not even wear this top with these shorts. I kind of just like threw it together, but it's a cute like option. Here's another option. Okay, here is the other shirt that I got from Zara. That is like another casual. I think this probably looks better. I wish I had like a matching set, but these shorts are so comfortable. Like good pajama short, good like walking around short, all the things. All right, I do have one outfit that I want to recreate from Pinterest. This is what it looks like here, and it's like a cute white blazer with a crop top and jean shorts and heels. So I'm gonna try and recreate that really quick. Now let me show you the pieces that I have. Okay, so I have a white blazer. I bought it for Nashville, so I'm pretty good there. It's pretty similar. I have like this white cropped top that has like the seam bra look, and it just is solid white to go underneath it. I don't have like those exact style of jean shorts, but these are kind of similar. They're a little bit longer and they're a little big on me. We'll see if we can make it work. Okay, so this is what my recreation looks like. I'm not really like loving these shorts. I rolled them up because they were a little long. This is what it looks like. Let me put on the heels because I do have these like strappy heels from Amazon that could be a look. So let me put those on really quick. This is what it looks like. I'm not really too crazy about these shorts. I think they're just like too big on me. The shoes do look really great, and I'm liking the like blazer in white top look, but I think that I just need different shorts. I think they're just too mom shorts, so I might look and see what I can find, but I'm liking this combo for sure. Well, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I wish that I had more outfits to show you, and I do have a couple pieces that I didn't mention along with shoes. I do have a whole shoe haul, fall shoe favorites video. A lot of the shoes that I'm bringing are mentioned in that video, so go check it out if you're interested. But I'm still trying to figure it out. I'll probably have an update on what I'm packing and bringing, and it's probably gonna change because I'm buying new stuff every week. But that is what I have thus far. Let me know what you think, if you have any ideas, if there's anything you don't like and you're like, please do not wear that because that's awful. Definitely let me know. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.